Last December 2022, Board Members Cajilig, Distura, Oso, Sullano, and this representation were in the municipality of Leon. We were there primarily to conduct ocular inspection and have a brief meeting with the municipal officials of the town and barangay officials of Barangay Talacoan concerning the progress of implementation of the controversial bridge along the Talacoan to Omambong Provincial Road. Shortly after we finished tackle the issues and concerns about this controversial bridge, the municipal official requested us to check the status of the implementation of the NTF-ELCAC projects. According to one of them, there are NTF-ELCAC projects that were started but not continued by the contractors, and there are those that have been delayed in the implementation as well as in completion. By the way, NTF-ELCAC refers to the National Task Force to End Local Communist Armed Conflict. I opted not to explain further about this NTF-ELCAC, but I know that it includes local government support funds, support to Barangay Development Program, LGSF SBDP for short, which has a component of infrastructure projects such as concreting of roads, upgrading of farm-to-market roads, construction of potable water supply system, improvement of barangay health center, electrification of barangay or portion of the barangay, street lighting among others, in remote, especially mountainous barangays. It has also a component of non-infrastructure projects, which includes post-harvest facility, such as rice processing complex, which composed of rice dryer, rice mill, hauling vehicle, rice thresher, and other farm equipment, sewing machines with livelihood facility and amenities, and small farm reservoir for inland fishery program. As if this program is something designed to level up the basic services and facilities being enjoyed by the people in other barangays, especially those adjacent with the town proper, on one hand, and those people in far-flung barangays, especially in the mountainous areas, on the other hand. People in these places have been longing for this social justice in action. We were alarmed by the aforementioned allegation, as if it appears that the sense of urgency that we did in the Sangguniang Panlalawigan when we immediately approved the urgent request of the governor for authority to sign contracts with the contractors for the implementation of these NTF-ELCAC projects has not been matched by an appropriate sense of urgency of the contractors. It seems that the concerned contractors are oblivious of the duration of the project implementation, which is part and parcel of the contract signed by the contractors and the governor, representing the province of Iloilo, on the strength of authority granted to him by the Sangguniang Panlalawigan. We members of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan urgently granted authority to the governor to sign the contracts so that the projects can start immediately, and so that after completion, it will be right away benefited or enjoyed by the people who, without fear of contradiction, have long been neglected by some leaders of the government who have not been mindful of the situation in the far-flung barangays, especially in the mountainous areas. We members of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan also urgently green-lighted the requested authority of the governor to sign the contracts, because as stated in the leader request of the governor, the project implementation will only be until December 31, 2022. Questions are, what will happen if the project is not completed before December 31, 2022? What will happen if the projects which was already started but left unfinished by the contractor? If there is subsequent tranche, will the province of Iloilo continue to avail its embodied infrastructure projects if some of the projects being implemented under existing tranche were not completed before December 31, 2022? Are there projects that still linger in the procurement stage as of this time? This representation is asking these questions because I understand how essential these projects in the peace and order program of the government, especially in the life of our brothers and sisters who are living in those remote mountainous areas. We cannot afford to squander the momentum that this program has gradually gained along. We do not want to dissipate this rare opportunity to improve the living condition of our Kasimanwas in those far-flung barangays. God bless Iloilo. God bless us.